So next stage, open this up and see what we have inside. Sometimes there are washers here, so be careful. Indeed, we have a washer here. So pinch roller is out. I would like some Teflon washers under the screws, because this scratches the aluminium. I think this is aluminium material, as you screw or unscrew this one, but they didn't bother anyway. Levers, let's take them out. You see how it is? The other one. This works the same, like that here. I guess we have to take the head cover out also. Okay. Let's see the heads. Heads look okay. The two screws down here are smaller than the others. Yeah. For example, this screw, I guess, it won't fit in here. It will just fall in, and now I can't get it out. Anyway, it will come out with the cover. Okay, let's see now if the cover comes out, and it comes out indeed. Let me take this screw also. So let's see what we have here. Oh, the cam, the metal cam here, is indeed cracked, and I have no idea how much more it will last, this one. It does the job, but I'm afraid it's not gonna stay much longer. So indeed, this cam, I have to find a way to save it. Let's see. Is there there is another cam here. Okay, let me show you some things now. So look at the condition of this cam set here. You see how fully cracked it is. And look at the other here. You can see the cracks. Let me put some light. Okay, here we are. You can see the cracks. So I wonder how I can save this. If I will soak this in resin, maybe that will be saved. I have to ask for this. This is the condition of the heads. Looks fine, looks fine. Rubber roller looks fine, this one also. Motor belt, which is down there, I cannot touch it, but yeah, looks very loose. Anyway, so rubber belts, no, rubber idlers look amazing. So this is the condition of this thing, and let's dig further into. So next thing to do is take out this metal piece from the back here. And take it out just like that. Now we will put it like that. So I did a look on the service manual, and I see that this part and this part are separated. So in order to take them out, we have to take out here some plugs. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. Yes, 1, 2, 3 here, 4, 5, 6. I don't see any other. And I think that is all. Okay, I will do it. So I hope they don't break and fall apart, all these plugs. So one is out. Two. Three. Well, the problem with this is that there is a mark here. There is a triangle here and another triangle here, which no, I don't see the triangle. So, just a reference from the video, the triangle has to be this way, okay? So these two, the first one is brown, the second one is black. I guess these are the heads, but I don't really know. And the last one, which is here, let's see, this is also out, and there is another plug in here, and this plug in here is supposed, I will show you this closely. So these are the plugs I took out. One is that here, one is that here, one is that here, and there is a small triangle on it, as I hope you can see it. Okay, and here is the brown, here is the black. There's this plug here, and there is another plug here which goes in there to start to power and do everything to the 8 track. This is the 8 track here, and it was supposed to have an opening here, so the machine is in there, but it was sort of disconnected from the machine. So somebody took this out to use the machine without the 8 track. Anyway, I think now everything is disconnected, and I can take out the upper part of the machine. Which is this part here. Okay. So let's see. One screw out. Out. So now this mechanism here, the real mechanism with the 8 track under it, is supposed to be disconnected from the amplifiers which are here, and I am supposed to be able to lift it out. Let's see if that is the case indeed. Oh, I forgot a plug. It came out by itself. It was another plug here, and that thing here is supposed to be, anyway. So the whole machine here is separated. I will put it aside somehow and see what I can do with this. perfect is the machine. And now we have let's see what we have left down there. So this is what we have here. I will now go and clean it with air a little bit, and then I will come back and see all the components here that we have. So now that this part is out, I guess we can take this part out also. So let's see. So the screws of the upper part and the screws of the bottom part seem to be the same, so we can put them on the same spot. So it's no big deal if we mess them. So this part now is supposed to be easily lifted out, and indeed it does, but look at that. This is supposed to be here, but it's broken here. This is a reason maybe why some owner decided to get rid of the 8-track part, but anyway, let's see if we can put this down. Yes. One, two. So what do we have? Mechanical part, electrical part, and a cabinet. Okay, I can listen stuff falling down and I wonder what all these are, but anyway. I hope I didn't miss anything. So let's have a look here. Can you see here? There was supposed to be the opening for the 8-track, and somebody closed it here. Looks to be a professional job, that thing here. But how did he make all this be so clear? I don't know. Okay, it's obvious that this is intentionally closed. Okay, and let's move on with what is around here.